Now class, we'll focus on the anions part, and I'm starting today with the anions, and we will do first of all with the sulfate anion. In that we are using a salt that should contain sulfate ion. Over here I am using aluminium sulfate. You can use some other salt also which contains the sulfate anions. So this particular salt contains the sulfate anion, and first of all we'll add water to it and we'll make a aqua solution of it. So we are adding water to it, and we are dissolving the salt to it so that this particular salt dissolve. After that we will add dilute HCl to it. You will see that we are adding dilute HCl to it. There is no change in the solution, right? After that we'll add barium chloride to it. We'll get a different change in this particular solution. You'll see that white PPT or white coloration will be formed. Now I have already added barium chloride solution to it. This is barium chloride solution to it. You can see after adding it, it changes to white PPT or curdy white PPT. Now this particular PPT is insoluble in all the mineral acids, so you can add any of the acids to it. You can add dilute HCl, dilute acetic acid, any of them. You can see I am again adding dilute HCl, extra dilute HCl I am adding to it, or you can add concentrated acid also in place of that, concentrated HCl or concentrated acetic acid. You will see that this PPT is not dissolving in that particular acid, this curdy white PPT. It's remain as it is. So please focus on it. This is the sulfate test which we have done just now, and this thing you have to make sure that concentrated acids also you can use, but please avoid using dilute sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, because already you are detecting the test of sulfate. So there is no need to add, because if you add dilute sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, if the particular salt does not contain sulfate, then too it will give you the reporting of sulfate ions. So I think this is clear to you how we can detect the sulfate ions. So once again I am recalling, we are using barium chloride. This is the reagent which is responsible to give you white PPT. We are adding this acid, dilute HCl to it, right? We are also adding water because we are making the aqueous solution, and we were using the salt that must contain the sulfate ion. So this particular, I am telling you that I have used this thing, but the teacher will not tell you that you are using this particular salt. She can use other salt also. Even she can use a colored salt for sulfate ions detection.